we divide 898 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 9 and it is 39. So 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 8 and it is 48. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 898 divided by 5 is 179 decimal 6.